Okay, guys, I said I was gonna pass on Monster Mutt Dalmatian, but I decided to get it. Cause I have a ears down variant. I want the ears up variant. Here's guys, rough crowd Monster Jam, Monster Mutt Dalmatian. There it is. This is first and last time I'm buying a double. First and last time. Monster Jam, guys. I just need the chase for this mix, and I'm basically complete with this mix already. So here it is, guys. We know basic Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Okay, this is similar to the, I think in the mini one they released a while back, but Spin Master is going to keep releasing these with just different roll cages and different rims. But when these come out, more years to come, I'm not going to buy no more because they're all the same. So here's guys, Monster Mutt Dalmatian with the ears up. Sorry about the noise. The tongue in the front and the dots. The ears up, like just jumping. There's a rhinestone collar. Monster Mutt Dalmatian, the tail, white roll cage, red chassis, white rims and beadlocks, and black tires. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoy.